Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a tablescape and we will be having tea. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's my favorite time of the week. Now the host of Tablescape Tuesdays is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Remember that we mentioned the collaboration at the beginning of the video. We also mention the host, and then we link all that information down in the description box. Now, linking the playlist in your description box is always a good idea. Remember that we watch the playlist in its entirety and we don't pick and choose which ones we're going to watch. Now, let's jump right into this video. Now this area, or I should say the house in general, collects a lot of dust, I guess because we're at ground level and the dogs are always coming in and out, but I always have to be wiping this down. And as you can see, I'm using the awesome wood cleaner from the Dollar Tree. Now it's not a sponsored video, but look at the shine on my table. You might want to try it, and it does not leave a film. Now, I did decide to go ahead and lay some grapes on either side of that runner. I just love those grapes. And then I decided to go ahead and place some tea items here for after dinner. Now, the color I decided to go with was purple. Now, believe it or not, that white tray in the back, I purchased that at Dollar Tree and I'm absolutely loving it. I cannot wait for them to bring them back. Now, here is a thrifted teapot and I'm just placing it to elevate it on a stand. Now I'm loving this set right here of the cream and sugar bowl, and these are like apples. They're so cute. Now, everything always looks better when you add a little bit of greenery, and that I purchased at Dollar General. So I placed the coffee cups down, and I also placed these spoons down, and those spoons were gifted to me. And now we're ready to set the table. Okay, so those beautiful placemats in that plum color, that was a thrifted item. And actually, the whole table setting is thrifted. So you have the brass chargers, and then these dishes here, along with the salad plate, those were thrifted, and I'm absolutely loving that shade of purple. Now the dessert plates are white, and those were thrifted, And I decided to go ahead and fold the napkins in that plum color in a rosette. So I placed that in the center. And now the glasses that I'm putting down, oh my goodness, those wine glasses in that purple color, and then the white water glasses, those were also thrifted. And what a great find. So now the flatware that came from Party City, the white napkins that I added, that was thrifted, and then the napkin rings also came from Party City. So I didn't say anything about the runner, but that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and it is gorgeous. Also, that glam candle stand was a DIY along with the centerpiece. The centerpiece was also a DIY, and all of those florals did come from the Dollar Tree, along with the candle holders. And so this is a very budget-friendly tablescape, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now I am lighting the candle, so we're going to head on over to the reveal. And I just wanted to say that the touch of the grapes I happen to like, and I think they look beautiful. So everything looks so nice. I love it. So look at my little tea party set right here. I decided to go ahead and put some cookies down. It looks beautiful. And then here is the place setting. We'll be going to that momentarily. Look at that. And of course, Nala always makes her appearance. But this entire table just came together so beautifully, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.